Hey moguls, it's Dr. T here, and I'm coming to you with another upgrade today. And our focus is all about the Mogul Codes of Influence, using human design to master power, presence, and persuasion. So, welcome to today's high frequency mogul upgrade. The Mogul Codes of Influence is, again, using human design to just master the power, the presence, and the persuasion of being a top mogul. And if you're here, that means you're ready to amplify your authority. You're ready to activate your presence and step into a whole new level of magnetism in every room you enter. I'm Dr. Tracy Thomas, aka Dr. T, your mogul maker and quantum transformation leader and advisor. And I'm here to help you become a powerful, influential mogul, an empire maker, a dynasty creator, a destiny changer, and a legendary contributor to humanity, right? And a legacy leaver. And today we're unlocking the most elite codes of real influence, not manipulation, not performance, but the energetic field of how to command a room, move minds, and magnetize loyalty, all through the power of human design. So stay with me through this video for a multi-million-dollar identity upgrade that's going to reprogram your influence, your whole blueprint for influence at the quantum level. While we're at it, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. You have liked this video and letting the universe know I am here to receive these mogul codes, right? These codes of influence. And drop a comment below. I claim my power. Also, make sure that you have downloaded your free human design report. The link is in the description of the video. And know that my Wall Street Journal best-selling books are right there in the description for you. So you can have all the transformational immersion capacity you need. Okay, moguls, let's amplify your influence codes. Okay. What real influence is, right? And what it's not. Let's be clear. Influence is not about being loud, flashy, or aggressive, moguls. It's about a resonance. It's an energetic alignment. It's the ability to shift someone's internal state just by walking into a room. Influence is presence, right? It's knowing exactly who you are, being calibrated to your truth, and transmitting that with zero resistance, moguls. And here's the real secret. Your ability to influence others is directly linked to how aligned you are with your human design, right? And when you're in your not self, which is happening when you're in the lower frequency of life and people and you're hanging out in lower frequency stuff, it activates your lower shadow side of your human design operating system, right? This happens when you're conditioned by other people's expectations, societal slave programming, and your influence weakens. It weakens you, right? But when you're aligned with your energetic blueprint, you broadcast truth. And the truth is the most persuasive energy on the planet. Okay, so the 3 influence codes inside your human design. Very important to know. Your human design chart holds 3 key mogul codes of influence. First one, your type, right? Are you meant to initiate, respond, guide, inform? If you're operating against this, your influence short circuits, right? The other one is your authority. This is how you make decisions. When you're following it, your choices, they carry a magnetic power. People can feel that you're dialed into the truth and they just trust you. The third one is your profile. This reveals your natural role as a leader. Are you a visionary, like a projector? Are you a role model? Are you a teacher, a networker? When you lean into your true profile, you build instinctive influence without effort. Let me be clear, moguls. This is not theoretical. This is practical, strategic, and immediately applicable in business, leadership, sales, speaking, content creation, and relationship building. This is how you become an undeniable mogul. How to use power and presence and persuasion strategically is what we got to cover next. To truly master influence, you must combine your human design strategy with energetic intent. Okay, here's how you embody each piece. Power is the key one, and it's not dominance. It is an inner stability. It is your ability to stay grounded within yourself in any room and transmit certainty. When you're living in your design, this comes naturally. Presence. Presence is your frequency, your field, your reality field, your felt sense. And people will feel you before they hear you. Daily calibration rituals and upgrades, like your mogul morning upgrades, are key. Like the immersions in these videos, it's the way to be. Persuasion. Persuasion comes from alignment, not performance. When your message is authentic, moguls, to your design and amplified with strategic storytelling, people say yes because your truth triggers their truth. The goal is not to just be heard, it is to be aligned with, to be followed, to collaborate. Quantum influence in the new reality is everything. In this exponential age, people are waking up fast. They're tired of fakery. They're done with manipulation on every level. Every level. They are craving authentic leaders who are energetically aligned. That's why it's your moment. And this is why human design is the future of leadership influence. It gives you the map to become a trusted voice in your industry, to attract loyal teams and clients, to lead movements and transformations, to magnetize aligned power couples and strategic partners, right? To command rooms, deals, stages, platforms. This is quantum influence, and this is your new normal, moguls. Your legacy of influence starts now. You don't have to guess how to influence. You're designed for it. Now it is time to live it, moguls. You've completed this upgrade. This is a moment to make sure you're completely aligned with your design. So make sure you've downloaded the human design report. Make sure you have commented in the comments section, I am influence, and list what human design you are. Projector, manifestor, generator, manifesting generator, reflector. Let us know. And make sure you get my best-selling books. They're all for mogul making. They're transformative Wall Street Journal bestsellers. Make sure you're set up for success. Okay? Like the video. This is all making sure the universe knows I am a yes to this. Share it so you become part of the circuitry, or wealth will not flow to you. You must be flowing the wealth for it to continue on. It's as simple as that. Make sure you are subscribed because you are saying, I am opting up the upgrade. I am a yes to the upgrade into the mogul reality, leading my empire, dynasty, and changing my destiny. And moguls, make sure to watch another mogul upgrade right now. Right, these videos are available for you, and make this part of your daily frequency ritual. Okay, when your power wavers, grab another video. When your presence dims, plug into the mogul frequency. And when truth feels distance, recalibrate to your mogul reality. This is how we rise. This is how we reign. This is how we lead a new world. This is how we mogul up. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, everyone.